everyone, I'm Shalaka Pawar and you are watching The True Gourmand. In today's episode, I'm gonna show a recipe that's very close to my heart. It's my favorite dish every time I go to any Asian restaurant, and that's green Thai curry. It's a very simple way of making green Thai curry because I'm using a shortcut method. I'll show you what I exactly do. This Thai curry that I make is shortcut because it requires very few ingredients. The first and the most important ingredient for any Thai curry is the Thai curry paste. I'm making green Thai curry, which is why I've taken green Thai curry paste. This is store bought. If you have to make it at home, you need a lot of ingredients. So I got it in the store and this is the best way to make Thai curry at home. Then you can have absolutely whatever vegetables you want. I have onions, carrots, capsicum and paneer at home, so I'm going to use these today. You need 400 ml of coconut milk, some 150 ml of water and some dash of sugar. And of course, now I'm going to start with a kadai. In kadai, I've taken, let's say, 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil and I've heated this oil. In this heated oil, I'm going to add in the Thai curry paste as the first ingredient. Here goes the Thai curry paste. The sizzling sound, so therapeutic. So we basically need to just saute this Thai paste in this oil till it gets a little more fragrant. So I'm just going to saute this for some time. Now that my paste is sauteed little well, as you can see, it's all come together. At this stage, I'm going to add in all my vegetables in here. Except for paneer. Paneer I'm going to add at the end because it really doesn't need to be cooked. So first goes in onions. No special treatment for any vegetable actually. Just put all of them together. You don't need to cook them anything separately as such. Just put all of them together and saute this. Now just so that I could saute this a little well, I'm going to add very little water to this. So help me saute these vegetables well. And I'm going to saute this for around 2 to 3 minutes. My vegetables have been sauteed a little bit. Now I have reduced the flame of my gas, and at this stage I'm going to add in around 100 ml of coconut milk first. I'm not adding my entire coconut milk, I'm just adding 100 ml of it. This is just so that I can cook these vegetables in coconut milk for some time. This is pretty good. Just give this a nice mix. It smells great already. And then I'm just going to cover this for some time and bring this to a boil. I'm also going to increase the flame a bit. My curry is boiling for some time. It's bubbling away, as you can see. Now this is the right stage. Now at this stage, I'm going to add in the rest of my coconut milk. So this is the rest of 300 ml of really nice thick coconut milk. I'm again going to reduce flame. Whenever you're adding coconut milk to any kind of masala, make sure that you add it on a reduced flame. And because coconut milk is extremely thick, I'm also going to add around, let's say, 100 ml of water to this coconut milk. You don't need a lot of water, but you just want to make sure that the curry is not extremely thick and you can't eat it. Now I'm going to mix this through. This is the right color for a Thai curry. At this stage, I'm also going to add in my paneer. Now usually the paste has some salt as well, but you can taste it at this stage and you can basically decide whether you want to add some more salt. I'm just going to try one. It doesn't require much, just a little hint of salt to bring everything together. And because the paste is very spicy, just add a dash of sugar in this. This is just to balance out the flavors. We don't want the taste of sugar, we just want to balance out our flavors here. Again, I'm going to put this on a high flame and bring this to a boil. Now let's check on our Thai curry. We don't need to boil it a lot because there's coconut milk in it. So I'm just going to open this curry This is perfect. It's already boiled well. I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Nice. It's smelling really nice here. I'm just going to switch off my gas and I'm going to plate this. I have taken a bowl. I've added some rice in here. Just next to my rice, I'm going to add this nice Thai curry now. A wedge of lemon to this Thai curry, because a little bit of lemon with your Thai curry is gonna taste so well. Time to taste. Of course, I'll be the first one to taste. What did you think? Ha. Here is the taste test. Restaurant style. Amazing Thai curry. Right kind of spice. Right kind of fragrance, right kind of flavor. I'll see you guys in the next episode of True God One. Till then, bye bye.